Students, now we will discuss the sign convention for reflection by spherical mirrors. Students, while dealing with the reflection of light by spherical mirrors, we have to follow a set of conventions which are called new Cartesian sign conventions. According to the new Cartesian sign convention, your pole of the mirror is taken as the origin and your principal axis is your x-axis of the coordinate system, and your mirror behaves like the y-axis. Students, all the objects are placed on left of the mirror. The object is always placed on the left side of the mirror. That means the light from the object will strike the mirror from the left hand side. And all the distances are measured from pole of the mirror. The distances which are measured to the right of the origin, your origin is your pole. So all the distances which are measured on the right side of the origin are taken as positive, that is along positive x-axis, and all the distances which are measured on the left of the origin, that is along negative x-axis, are taken as negative. Students, distances measured perpendicular to and above the principal axis, that is along y-axis, are taken positive, whereas distances measured perpendicular to and below the principal axis, that is along negative y-axis, are taken as negative. Let us try to understand this with the help of a figure. In this figure you can see that x dash is your principal axis, right? This principal axis is your x-axis, your mirror is your y-axis, and your pole behaves like origin. So all the distances to the left of the pole along the x-axis are taken negative, to the right they are taken positive. Above they are positive, below they are negative. Right students, let's apply this rule, and we are going to apply this new system, Cartesian system, the sign convention, to get the sign of various physical quantities which we will be using to solve numericals. As we know, all the distances above the principal axis are positive. So your height of object is always positive, and object is always kept on left side of the mirror, right? Object is always kept on left side of the mirror, therefore u is always negative. U is always negative. Focal length of concave mirror, students, focal length of concave mirror is always negative because its focus is on the left side, right? So focal length of concave mirror is always negative, whereas focal length of convex mirror is always positive. Concave mirror forms real as well as virtual image. Real image is always formed on left hand side, right students? मिरर के फ्रंट में बनती है, तो रियल इमेज के लिए your sign is negative, whereas for virtual image it is positive because virtual image is formed behind the mirror. Convex mirror always form virtual image, therefore V is always positive for convex mirror. Students, real images are always inverted. Concave mirror forms both real and virtual image. So real image के लिए आपकी height of image will be negative because inverted image will be formed below the principal axis. Virtual images are always erect, which will be formed above the principal axis. So virtual image के लिए आपका h dash will be positive. Right students, convex हमेशा virtual image बनाता है, तो उस केस के लिए h dash is positive. Now let's talk about magnification. Magnification is the ratio of height of image to height of object. Right? अगर आपका height of object is always positive, तो जो height of image का साइन होगा वही आपका magnification का साइन होगा. Concave दोनों इमेज बना रहे, रियल वर्चुअल. रियल इज ऑलवेज इन्वर्टेड, सो रियल के लिए मैग्निफिकेशन नेगेटिव, वर्चुअल के लिए पॉजिटिव. whereas convex always forms virtual, therefore magnification is positive for convex mirror. These sign conventions are very important. You should understand them and practice them again and again. Then only you will be able to solve the numericals.